Okay, so today we are doing soft locks. I'm using Free Tress 24-inch Begnners lock hair. This is in the color 1B. Then to also help wrap that, I'm going to be using Expressions Twisted Up Springy Afro Twist. This is 16 inches. Let's get started. I knew that was going to happen. All I'm saying is that would never happen at Jackie Ina's house. It's 10 o'clock, but we're on this last section, so let's get her done. I'm all finished with the applying part. Now for the wrapping, we're going to be using spring twist. So basically what I'm doing here, I'm going around, I got my finger in it, and I'm tying a knot. Grab it, and pull it through. Okay, just tie the knot. Just gonna rub that in together. It's 3:35, can't even see that. It's 3:36, and I just finished. I only used 2 packs of the locks. I didn't need this 3rd pack at all. The expression, you see this is literally all that I have left of the expression. I was very scared that I was gonna run out while I was doing my hair, but I made it work. You said put it in the bun. I love it. I adore it. I'm so happy with it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope you guys took something away from it. I hope you learned something from it, and I hope that this method has been proven to be very useful to you in your next protective style that you decide to do. And if you want me to try some of these styles, show them to me. But if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, a comment, subscribe, and share it to all your friends. Share it to somebody who needs a summer protective style, because I literally didn't know what to do with my hair. I was just going to leave my hair straight for the entire summer, but my friends convinced me that I need to put it up, so I'll put it up. If you enjoy, I really hope that I see you again in the next video. Thank you for tuning in with me, and I love you all very much. Bye.